Prologue. Bricks. One of our own is in trouble. After my blunt statement, the wine cellar grew eerily quiet. Every one of the men of Los Caballeros Society, not named for my family's winery as everyone assumed, but rather the other way around, moved closer to the table. The secret society dating back to our grandfathers' grandfathers only met when necessary, when someone needed our help. We were brothers, some by blood, some not, but brothers all the same. Who? My Uncle Tristan Avila spoke first. All 9 of us are here. I dipped my chin in acknowledgement. Fair enough. I steepled my fingers on the large table in front of me. It's Addison Reagan. The 3 men at the table, who were my brothers by blood, Crew, Snapper, and Kick, looked at me with wide eyes. What happened? Asked the latter. She's been arrested, my best friend answered, saving me from revealing the emotion the words would evoke. I swallowed and finished the sentence. For murder.